Hey guys, I'm back again with another tutorial on CodingBat on Python. Let's do another warm-up again. Today we are going to solve another example on sum double. So in this question, it says given two integers and we need to return their sum. Unless the two values are the same, then we have to return the double of them. This one is such an easy exercise that we can possibly do. As you can see, the solution can be seen here, but we kind of do not want to go over the solution. We don't want to see the solution because we want to go over it and do a walkthrough on it and how we can possibly solve this. So so first thing first, we need to see if the both values are the same. So we can possibly write a variable called sum and then add the two of them. But then we can also have a if statement. If a is equal, double equal, it means just the value is actually equal to. So we're not initializing it, but we are checking if the value of integer a is equal to the value of integer b. So if a is equal to the b, we want to return their sum but the double. So let's say if a is 2 and b is equal to 2, we want to return a plus b, which is 4, and then we have to double it. So I'm going to return this one, I'm going to multiply it with 2, else we return just the double value. Else we're just going to return the sum. Or we can possibly, if we don't want to have a variable, we can just do, let's comment this out and comment this one out. So we can possibly, so that's our comment. We can possibly do return a plus b, and then we can do multiply with 2. That's another way we can possibly do this. But then having a variable, it makes it much easier, possibly. This will also work out. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the solution, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video.